Well, welcome to week 4. In week 4, we're going to look at AI and you're going to begin project 1. Because from week 4, there is 3 weeks. March 8th, which is the Sunday before spring break, project 1 is due. So, we're going to look at artificial intelligence and the crap analysis. Okay, what is AI? Well, AI is basically a huge search engine that uses algorithms to scan mass amount of data faster than the human brain ever could. But remember, I said it before, AI is not sentient. It doesn't know it's alive. It's not like Skynet. It's not like HAL 9000. It doesn't know it exists. It doesn't understand these facts. All it can do is research and present the information to you. You, as a human, must look through the facts, determine the credibility. Is this doing what you want it to? So there are 2 readings, and yes, Gemini found these readings for you way faster than I ever could, hunting and pecking. So these are just readings on AI. I want you to read them to understand how AI works, how AI can be used. So we're going to start working on project 1 using Gemini. Now, you can use Gemini as a research partner to brainstorm ideas, to find sources for you. AI will find the sources, but they won't be formatted correctly in APA. They may be hallucinations. It's going to be your job to find those sources and make sure they actually exist, because sometimes they don't. And just as an FYI, all the sources that you present on your reference list, I'll look them up and make sure they actually exist. It's something that you can read and understand. If they don't, that's not a source it's going to be counted off your reference list. So that's what you're responsible for as the human. Now, I asked Gemini to create a prompt for you to use so that it can help you find these sources. Instead of me hunting and pecking and trying, I decided, let's use the source itself. Let's use and ask it what it wants. So here's the prompt it came up with. You will copy this. You'll insert your topic here. Take this out, put your topic here, and then you copy and paste it in Gemini. Okay? And so for this week's, okay, you're going to do the readings. And oh yeah, hint, there's no Driscoll method reflection this week. We're doing something different. This is the assignment type of week work. So you're going to do this. You have play around, however long it takes to get your 10 source references. You're going to copy it into a Word document. And then as a deep dive, you're going to choose one source from the reference list. You're going to check the citation, ensure it follows APA edition rules, check for capitalization, spacing, author order. Big thing here. Gemini, since you're asking for primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, you might separate them as primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. But APA doesn't go like that. A reference list is in alphabetical order of the author's last name. First off, so you may have to take this beautiful list you got from Gemini and reformat it to be in alphabetical order. And then you're going to complete a crap analysis on this one source. That's all you're turning in for week 4. It's the one source. If you want to do more, that's fine. That's up to you to do more. And then you're going to copy and paste this into a discussion form. Now, discussion form doesn't always get the hanging indent, I know that, but it will do the capitalization and it will do the italics. So that's up for you to format and then put it in. And then you can provide feedback to a classmate. Is their citation looking correct? Is their analysis thorough? Okay. And again, here's a sample. You click here, you do this. Here's what your entry should look like. Yeah, again, I did not write this. This is something that the AI hallucinated for me. And to check the formatting. Okay. As always, here's the deadlines. Um, if you have a general question that the class could benefit from, post it in the extra credit discussion forum. If there's something that you want to ask that only pertains to you, email me. So that's all for it. We're going off to a rolling start. Bye.